Today we got a quick lesson, a little turkey talk for your Thanksgiving. We're gonna be talking about the polar vortex. So you're gonna hear a lot about the polar vortex over the next couple of weeks because it's gonna change our weather, especially here on the East Coast of the United States. So what the polar vortex is it's basically a huge swirling mass of air that sits on top of the North Pole. There's one on the South Pole as well. But a stable polar vortex, or one that's held together, holds all that really cold air up near the North Pole. And you can see sometimes it stretches down here into kind of northern Canada. But what happens throughout the winter especially is masses of warm air will go in and they destabilize that polar vortex, causing it to kind of collapse and spill over, spreading that cold weather further down south into North America, Russia, places like that. And that's exactly what's been happening over the past couple of days. So we can see a destabilized polar vortex here. We got this big warm mass of air near Alaska that pushed up, broke up that polar vortex, and then we get this spilling of the cold air, which ends up coming down into North America. If we jump over into our simulation here, you can see super cold weather way up north, as is expected this time of year, but then it kind of seeps its way down into the middle of America here. And if we jump forward a couple of days, we're going to jump forward into Sunday. You can see how that cold air has really spread down into here, and especially going into next week, that's that polar vortex collapsing and all that cold air seeping down into North America, bringing us some very low temperatures for probably about the next 20 to 30 days.